Happy New Year! 2018 is here. Anyway, glad everybody could join. We have the markets in bullish territory. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. And it is Tuesday, January 2nd, 2018. And the markets are in big time bullish territory. The NASDAQ up nearly 2%. That's huge. However, financials break even. US dollar down 0.3%. Crude oil up 0.5%. Gold up 1.2%. Silver up 1.4%. VIX crashing almost 12%. Fear crashing. Bitcoin up 10%. We're going to look at that chart. GBT is up 12%. Huge move there. All right, starting off with the S&P 500 spider. Almost put a buy on it today. Man, did I? Should I? Should I do that? I'm going to not. Oh boy, I am going to do it. I'm going to put a buy on the US spider. I had a sell on it, but now it's a buy. The markets are looking really strong right now. Diamonds, let's go there. Diamonds, the Dow, still a high base. Not ready to put a buy on it. Not yet. NASDAQ. Put a big buy on the NASDAQ. There it is. Boom. Had a sell on it. Now a buy. Boom. To the upside on nice volume. Small caps. Even though it didn't look as nearly as promising as NASDAQ, I did put a buy signal there. Financials. I got a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell on financials. It's still a high base. That's more bullish than it is bearish, so that could rally. But we did close again for the second session below the 20-day moving average. US dollars crashing badly. US dollars in trouble, trouble, trouble. I saw that back here on what date was that? December 19th. Called it a sell. And it has just fallen out of bed. Bad news for the US dollar. Crude oil is up, but we have a doji after an extended run to the upside. Be very careful. This could be topping out. Gold just went boom to the upside. Look at this huge run gold has had. Silver has had the same run. It's just up and away. The buy call I put on that was on December 13th. December 13th. It's just blasting through all sorts of resistance. Silver. Up, but we're at an area of resistance right now. This area, the apex of this is right where we stopped. That apex is right where we stopped. Can we get through it? Then after, if it does get through that, then it has this big, massive trend line to get through. So silver still, I still have it as a buy from the 13th of December, but that's where we're at. VIX. Big crash down. I put a sell on VIX. I had a buy on VIX. Now I have a sell on VIX. Big drop on VIX. Bitcoin. I had a buy on it back here on the 22nd. And then we have what's a bull flag. See this rally, bull flag. But the bull flag is also a falling wedge. And today it broke out. Expect more upside. This could be a great buy opportunity, especially if we get over 16,000. Right now we're at 14.8 at the moment of this video. GBTC had a buy back here on the 22nd of December, and we do have a close above the 20-day moving average. Look for more upside opportunity there. All right, let's take a quick look at stocks. Dow 30. Start off with Apple. Apple, I have a buy on it, and I'm going to stay with my buy, but we're in this trading consolidation going sideways, but it's a big bull flag, so I look for more upside. Let's see if that will happen. AXP, put a sell on it because rising wedge, it broke down. There's my sell on AXP, American Express. However, we're still above the rising 20-day moving average, but I'm going to stick to my sell there. And we have Boeing, which is a high base. Look to buy that, especially over $300. This thing looks ripe for an explosive move to the upside. So all you guys that work at Boeing, I have several students from Boeing. Anyway, guys, be watching this. And when I say students, we're talking mentor students that come through our program. A lot of very impressive people that come through. Caterpillar, have some Caterpillar students also. Anyway, this one is above an area that should act as support. It needs to stay there, see if it can keep building a high base. I still have a buy on it from way back here in August, and we remain with that. Cisco, I have a buy on it right here, boom, and look for a breakout over $39. CVX, Chevron, had a breakout high base right here, high base breakout, another high base or bullish pennant breakout. It's looking very, very good. Chevron's on fire. Disney was a big fat buy today, big huge pop, boom, to the upside. DuPont, Dow, I got a buy on it. I'll stay with that as long as we remain above these moving averages. Look for a significant move, and I think that move could happen fairly soon. Let me show you the trend line that we have here. You can see this resistance, resistance, resistance. We popped up over resistance, came down, popped up, and came down. This dude's ready to rock and roll. There's the triangle. Watch for this to pop, guys. GE, I put a buy on it. We put a buy on it. That was Friday. Look at what it did to, I mean, just huge boom, pop there. Very, very good. Goldman Sachs is a rising wedge. I got a buy on it, but I'm really close to put a sell on Goldman Sachs. Home Depot got a big fat sell today. There's the sell on Home Depot. IBM, I have a buy on it from last week, but it's at resistance. This thing can chop around and do whatever it wants to do. INTC, got a buy on it, a little bull pullback, and it's rallying. I'm going to stay with my buy. Johnson & Johnson, I got a sell on it. Oh, and it did drop again today. It's continuing down. JP Morgan had a nice bullish day today. Had a buy on that. I still stay with my buy. Coca-Cola down. I had a sell on it. So I had a sell on the 18th of December, and it continues down, but we're hitting a support level. Look for that to go higher. McDonald's, I have a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell on McDonald's, even though I'm underwater on that one. 3M, got a sell on it, but this tried to break down today. It rallied back. I might put a buy on that soon. MRK, we got a buy on it, continuing sideways. Let's see what it does. Microsoft was up slightly. I got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy. Nike, wow, Nike is up 1.5% today. I put a buy on it back here on October 13th, and I'm going to stay with my buy there. PFE, put a buy on it a few days ago, chopping around doing a whole lot of nothing. PG, had to put a sell on it today. Bad news for that. TRV, had a sell on it, and today it come crashing down 2.7%. Wow, that short's working out. UNH, got a sell on it going down. I'll stay with my sell. UTX, got a buy on it, but it's looking a little toppy to me. Visa, got a buy on it, it's still going up. Verizon, got a buy on it. Look for a high base breakout to the upside. It looks like it has more to go. Walmart, got a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell on that. And Exxon, put a buy on it back here on the 13th of December, and a big pop today. Boom, to the upside, looking good. Let's look at some tech stocks of interest. Let's do that. Tech stocks, tech stocks. We already looked at Apple. Let's look at Amazon, up 1.7%. Put a buy on Amazon today. Baba up 6.5%. Had a buy on it on the 14th of December, and this thing rallied higher, looking really good. Baidu is up 3.5%. Put a buy on that on the 8th of December, and we are looking really strong, guys, on Baidu. Cisco up 1.5%. Put a buy on that on November 27th. Look for more upside on Cisco. We already talked about that. Catfish, down, 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 down. I'm still sold. I still have a sell call on that. eBay was up higher. Got a buy on that from back here in December. Boom. Let's see if it'll keep going up. Facebook, up 2.8%. Put a buy on it today. Look for more move to the upside. Facebook looking good. Google looking good. Big pop, but we're at resistance. Had to put a buy on it. Google, same thing. Boom, big pop. GoPro is down 1.7%. Had a sell on that on the 22nd. If you go back to those videos, you'll see. Anyway, it's continuing down. GoPro is not a buy by any stretch of imagination. Microsoft, we already looked at it, holding. NVIDIA is up 3%. So I put a buy on it. On the 18th of December, still looking good, but caught up in moving averages. Let's see what happens. Oracle down 1.4%. Had a sell on Oracle. That's the 15th, December 15th, and it is not looking good. Priceline up 2.7%. Had a buy on Priceline on the 12th of December. Big pop, looking good. And PayPal up fractionally, but I had a sell on Friday. Anyway, that's just where we're at. Be careful with PayPal. It's in dangerous zone. Red Hat was up fractionally. Put a buy on it or a sell on it. Do I want to put a buy on that? I'm just not going to do that yet. Snap was up 2.3%. Put a buy on Snap. So Snap has a buy. Twitter was up 2%. Put a buy at Twitter. Huge area. Look at this. Up, 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 up. Sell. And then pop off a support. Guys, look for more upside from Twitter. If you like it, subscribe. Hit us up at Grok Trade. If you want us to mentor you, take some of our classes, go to Grok Trade, click on mentor. We'll help you out. Catch you later, and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Catch you later. Bye.